Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You're going to start mirroring now. First, confirm both the LG Smart TV and your phone or PC are on the same Wi-Fi network, because mirroring needs a direct local link. Once done, open the TV's home menu and select Screen Share or Miracast. This readies the TV to accept a connection. Make sure your sending device has its screencast or wireless display feature enabled. On phones, use Quick Settings. On Windows, use Connect or Project. This gets both endpoints listening and ready. Now connect. On Android, pull down Quick Settings, tap Cast, then choose the LG TV name. The device will search and pair. On Windows, press Windows plus K or use Display Settings to find wireless displays. Select the TV and allow permissions. If the LG supports AirPlay, from iOS Open Control Center, tap Screen Mirroring and pick the TV. Once you select the TV, accept any on-screen pairing code shown on the television to establish the secure stream, and finish by accepting any pairing PIN on the TV and confirming the mirrored image and audio sync. Adjust volume on both devices. If video stutters or lags, make sure both are on the same 5 GHz band, reduce network load, or move closer to the router to improve bandwidth. If the connection fails, reboot the TV and the source device and retry the cast step. As a fallback, use an HDMI cable or streaming device. This resolves problems when wireless mirroring won't stabilize.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.